Before going to start this video, I have a special tweak for you guys that is really going to blow your mind. As you can see right now, I am going to turn on airplane mode in my Android phone. After that also, I can chat with anyone in WhatsApp or I can receive any calls on my Android even it is in airplane mode. That sounds really super crazy for you guys. So in this video, I am going to share 7 customization applications or tweaks that are really going to change your Android experience from super to super. So let's start this video without wasting time anymore. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, because in the end of this video I am going to share a hidden customization tweak that nobody is sharing with you. With that said, on the top of the list we have a customization tweak that I shared with you guys in the beginning of this video. Here's how you can do this. For this tweak, open your dialer pad and then dial *#*#4636 #*#, and then it will open a special page. In that special page, open phone usage option, and in the bottom you can see mobile radio power option. Enable that option. After this, you can also text anyone in WhatsApp or you can also receive anyone calls in your Android even it is in airplane mode. And one more thing is there, that is Musahib6 subscribe button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this, and make sure to hit that like button. That really motivates me to make more content like this. As we all know, in this video we are discussing about customization applications, and if we don't discuss about wallpaper application, that really gives a pro customization look to our Android. That's really not fair. So if you are also a person who is searching for cool looking animation wallpaper, means with this application you are going to fall in love, because this application provides you all kinds of wallpapers like Naruto, Iron Man, Thor, Avengers, Minions, cars, and even gaming wallpapers also, and much more to explore. After setting your wallpaper on your home screen, you can see some cool looking animations while you unlock your phone, and it will also give some cool looking animations while you charge, including with music. And the second application on our list is Touch the Notch. Many Android users think that camera notch is useless, but with the help of this application you can convert that notch into a super useful button. Here's how this application turns your notch into super useful application. If I tap my notch, it will open my recent applications or open dial pad or open flashlight, and there are multiple tasks. You can customize them according to your usage. Download this application from Play Store. And the third application on our list is Standby. In the recent iOS update, you may have seen there is a special feature. If you turn your iOS into landscape, there are some cool looking widgets like calendar, music, media, and much more. With the help of this application, you can use this feature in your Android also. In this application, there are so many widgets like calendar, media, music, clock, weather, and so many more. And in each widget, there are different types of styles. You can choose them according to your usage. And each widget is totally customizable. And the fifth application on our list is Fingerprint Animation. After customizing all these things, but this boring fingerprint animation doesn't look that much good on this customization. Well, this application is going to change your Android look. With the help of this application, you can customize your fingerprint animations that however you want. In this application, there are unlimited number of fingerprint animations that are really super cool. Not only fingerprint animation, but this application also provides you unlimited number of live wallpapers, 4K wallpapers that are really unique one. Just select the fingerprint animation that you want and then align the fingerprint according to your phone. After this, whenever you are going to unlock your phone, these animations are going to grab someone's attention towards your phone. And the sixth application is mobile. From now onwards, you don't need to purchase PS5 games to play all those games, because with the help of this application, you can play all those games in your Android. This application is directly connected with Cloudflare so that you don't need much storage in your phone to play all these games. With the help of this application, you can play all those PS5 games in your Android like Forza Horizon, FIFA World Cup, Naruto, YCT, and many more. Don't forget to share this video with your gamer friend. And the last one, seventh one, is a tweak. Do you know there is a hidden quick setting panel? Here's how you can access it. For this, you just need to drag up with your 2 fingers from the bottom of your gesture bar. But before this, you need to turn on this. For this, head over to your settings and then turn on accessibilities menu. After this, you can use this feature. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video with your daily dose.